The wind power generation that we have considered in previous lecture did not consider efficiency of wind turbine, which we are going to consider in this lecture. Efficiency at which wind turbine works has a theoretical limit set by Blade's law. This law states that only 16 by 27, that is 59.26% of energy available in wind could be extracted and be available at shaft of the rotor in the form of mechanical energy. Out of this 59.26%, maximum limit power extracted from turbine is 80% of maximum that has been recorded so far. Other efficiencies due to mechanical and electrical losses beyond this value reduces efficiency to still lower value. Another important aspect about wind speed is various speeds are classified as Class A, Class B and Class C wind speeds. Depending upon percentage turbulence in these winds, these are further subdivided into 1, 2 and 3. Table on slide shows these values of wind speeds and turbulences. Another important aspect associated with efficiency is blade shape and blade material. Blade has to sustain very large stresses and its surface must be smooth to perform aerodynamic process of converting air friction with blade into useful energy. In this way, if we take product of base limit and maximum achieved efficiency of 80%, we get the product of 47.4% that is shown on slide. Now let us now let us consider the direction of wind flow or direction in which velocity vector becomes incident on blade surface. As it was already pointed out, that direction of velocity vector is expected to be perpendicular to swept area. But if it is not perpendicular, then turbine face has to be adjusted to keep it perpendicular. The whole body of turbine that is rested on top of tower is connected to tower by jaw system, which takes care of perpendicular direction of wind. It senses the direction and turns the turbine in either direction. Another efficiency improving and speed control feature is to change the pitch angle. Pitch angle is the angle blade makes with swept plane of turbine. This angle decides how much energy should be converted and how much should be left unused. Sometimes velocity of wind is too high, so to keep reaction of wind on turbine below a specified limit, some energy has to be left non-converted. One more use of this pitch angle is to keep rotor speed within specified limit. Both jaw system and pitch of the blade are shown on slide. The calculation on slide shows the power at output of turbine using formula for power that we have written on slide. This calculation considers maximum efficiency of 47.4%, swept area corresponding to 80 meters of blade length, air density of 1.255 kilograms per cubic meters, and velocity of 10 meters per second. The output of turbine that we see is very large, that is 5.981 megawatts, and close to maximum value of turbine constructed so far.